Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Agusti from class 28 English Literature. Today, I will do presentation about novella of Metamorphosa, Franz Kafka. From my journal, title of book is Metamorphosa Samsa, or in Germany language is Die Verwandlung. Author is Franz Kafka, publisher Penerbit Baca, or Kurwolf Verlag from Leipzig. Year of publication 1 April to 2018, Leipzig 1915. Setting of time and place. Setting of time at one morning, at one time on a long night, for other unspecified reference to trains and streetcars, suggests to the late 19th century of early 20th century. Setting of place, the Samsa family's apartment in unspecific city. Major character, first is Gregor Samsa. Gregor Samsa, a traveling salesman and story protagonist. Gregor had his job but kept it because of the obligation he felt to pay off his father's debt and care for his family. Until one day, he had turned into a large insect and spent the rest of his life in that state. So terrifying and unrecognizable to others, Gregor retains a part of his inner life and struggles to recognize his remaining humanity with his physical condition. And the second main character is Great Samsa, or Gregor's sister. Gregor's sister is a young man 70 old on the cusp of adulthood. She initially shows great concern for Gregor, but her compassion gives way to possessiveness and resentment as the effect of Gregor's transformation on her life slowly takes their fall. The third main character, the father, or Mr. Samsa. Gregor's father, the failure of his business, has left him exhausted and nationally broken, and he is forced to return to work again after Gregor's metamorphosis. Despite the beneficial effect his new employment has on him, he expressed considerable hostility toward Gregor. And the last main character is a mother, or Mrs. Samsa. Mrs. Samsa is a mother who loves her child very much. She is kind, graceful, and always tries to be fair to her children. In addition, he often did not understand the explanation given only be once. She has asthma, so she should be for too tired and so. However, when she saw the condition of his son, she could not bear to see it. Since Gregor could do activities like he did before, now he also works as a tailor. Next to a summary of the story, the novella The Metamorphosis tells the story of Gregor Samsa. He was a hard-working traveling salesman that cared about the survival of his family. The plot is set in the home of the Samsa family that has 4 members. Is Gregor Samsa, the main character, wakes up one morning only to realize he was turned into a bug, or a larger insect. And the story finished when Gregor was exhausted and he died. The next morning, the cleaning lady threw him into the trash. When the family heard he was died, they felt relieved and decided to take a road trip and enjoy the sunny spring day. What is are the major conflict in the story? The major conflict in the story is when Gregor Samsa struggles to reconcile his humanity with his transformation into a grand bird. How does the story end? The story ends finished when the Gragers died and his family taking a nice little jaunt into the countryside. What is the theme of the book and why? The theme of the book is relationship in family, the absurdity of life, the disconnect between mind and body, and the limits of sympathy, alienation. Do you like the book or not? Why? I'm very impressed with the Metamorphosis because I've never read anything right than Kafka novella before. Grand insight are usually not what I like, but I also this was great. Not only that, the messages and learning that are contained in the novel also have a very deep meaning. This book was easy to read or just right to read or a little difficult or too hard. And according to me, the book was just right to read. Okay, I think that's all can I presentation about the novella. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.